What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
I don't think so. Let's get started.
All right.
Show us how to use it.
Show us.
Okay.
I've never used a rag bow.
Oh,
I've never seen one.
Oh.
friends. Let me help you. Help me. Okay, so I'm actually going to do this on a tobacco basket, but feel free to use this recipe on a wreath. This recipe would actually go great in a grapevine wreath. So let's get started. I'm going to be using a tobacco basket. Okay, so first things first, let's build up kind of a little base before we add the rag bow. I grabbed this giant peppermint and I'm going to attach that to the base of this basket using some floral wire. This is foam, so I can just stab it. I'm going to take this skewer right over here. I'm going to make a hole and then feed it through. There we go. All right, now I'm just going to take it and attach it to the bottom of this basket. All right. So this guy is in here. These are extremely lightweight, so he's going to stay. We're going to put lots of other things in there, so he's good. All right, now I am going to use that 4-inch ribbon. Okay, so I'm just going to gather that and make 2 loops, really big loops, because it's got to stick out past my rag bow, and fill this space right here. There we go. And because they're my first 2 loops, I want to make sure that I try them in and that it fits the area that we're working in, and it does. Now I'm going to come across with this gorgeous laser cut ribbon from Silk, and it is just scrumptious and divine.
It looks uber expensive.
Ugh, it does. It's laser cut, these little flowers that are in it. And it is scrumptious. Okay. Okay, sorry. When you're working with good ribbons, sometimes, friends, you have to manhandle this stuff. And that's how you know it's good. Once you get it in place, it doesn't move. Just kind of gathering it together. All right, so this is kind of like a pillow that I'm going to rest the rag bow on. All right, so I'm going to grab a zip tie and put that around. Okay. All right. And then go ahead and cut these tails.
Oh, this part makes me cringe.
Why?
I don't know, cutting expensive ribbon just does that.
Well, all right, now I'm going to grab another zip tie right quick and wrap it around the basket
This
here.
is heavy too.
I know, it's super
Holy
thick.
moly.
All right, I put that around the basket. Just go ahead and place this right in here. All right, so really I didn't pull this within an inch of its life. It's just kind of resting in there. Remember, this is like the pillow that the rag bow is gonna sit on. This gorgeous gold brooch does not match our theme. So I'm going to have to deconstruct her work, and I'm not even 1000% sure quite how to do it. So you never know until you try, right, friends? I don't want to leave the guts showing, so I found this sweet little swirly curly peppermint.
That's really cute.
Okay, so now I'm going to take the attachment part. She puts a twist tie on there, and I'm going to twist it into the basket. So this is where we are so far, friends. All right, now let's add some fun, whimsical things to it. I want to run this the length of the ribbon. I'm sorry, the length of the tails. So let me double that over, like so. I'm going to come up and under some of these little layers. Find a single little,
Oh, I'm watching you.
a single little guy. Okay, so I just tied this in a little knot around one of the stems right up here. And then just let it flow. I put one kind of on this side. Let me put another on this side. There we go. So snip that. Fold it in half like so. Find you one. I lifted up a good chunk of layers and I want this kind of towards the bottom. Find a good ribbon and just tie it around there. See, we've incorporated these gorgeous streamers through here. Isn't this lovely? Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Okay, now let's add some picks and sprays to kind of fill in the guts because I know y'all can see there's like a little gap here. There's lots of gaps going on and I want to fill in the guts really bad. Let me add these in here. All right. I am wiring these in with pipe cleaners to the basket. These are actually ornaments from Craftex. So
What are you doing now?
I would like more fluff. So I'm gonna just.
I'm having a heart attack.
You should.
What are you doing?
I would like more fluff, and I want this to kind of.
Don't do it.
Don't do it, girl. I didn't do it.
It's not worth it.
It's not worth it. I want this to kind of.
I just put down the slide.
Yay! You did it. It's worth it. Okay, so I'm cutting this into strips because I'm going to bring it through the different layers of the rag bows. It was just sitting there like a weird like flag that needed to just be kind of incorporated into the raggy bonus of this. Much better.
You gonna cut it more than that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh gosh!
I hurt you so much. I don't even know.
I hurt you so much.
I know. I don't even know if I'm gonna use it. I'm just funning. Yeah, that's gonna happen.
So you took the rag bow that was full of wonderful goodness.
Watch this. I'm just gonna kind of put a little twist tie up in here. Okay, friends, are y'all ready?
Actually,
It's ready. I did it. Friends,
Holy moly!
there she blows.
Holy moly!